Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I am extremely grateful to you for giving me an opportunity to speak on the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2017. The Honorable Union Minister for Law and various other members have expressed their views elaborately on the bill that is being discussed here. They unanimously said that the people who oppose this bill will also be punished. I could see and sense the widespread support from other members of this House for this opinion, and it is pretty clear from their mindset. It is not that talaq is pronounced three times at one go. If in any martial relationship there is a discord between a man and a woman, they both should consult and come for a compromise. If there is no understanding or compromise achieved, then they have to approach and consult their family members. After consultation with their family members and relatives, the matter will be referred to Jamaat. The leaders of the village will then talk to the couple for the first time and try to reconcile the discord. It is then the first talaq would be pronounced. Thereafter, the couple should live together in the same house. After a month, if still there is misunderstanding between the couple, they can once again approach the Jamaat. The leaders of Jamaat will once again try to reconciliation and better understanding between the couple. If that effort too fails, then there would be pronouncement of talaq for the second time. This is called as second talaq. Thereafter also the couple will be allowed to stay in the same house together with the hope for the amicable and better understanding between the couple. The opportunity for reconciliation would be given for the third time. If there is no mutual understanding and marital discord is continued as before, even after a month of pronouncement of second talaq, there would be pronouncement of talaq for the third time. This is how triple talaq or the divorce takes place in Islam. This is triple talaq. It is done in three phases on three different occasions. It is not done at one go. This is what the Honorable Supreme Court has pronounced in its verdict. The Honorable Minister and other members have all quoted the Honorable Supreme Court and its verdict. What is the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court? Triple talaq at one go does not disown a marriage. This is the statement of the Honorable Supreme Court. We accept and approve this. This is what the Shariat law even says. All the Muslims in the world accept this. The Shariat law says that at one go triple talaq should not be pronounced. Some Muslims do not follow this in principle. That is where the problem arises. Sir, why the Supreme Court issued such a verdict? A Muslim man who is staying in Malaysia or Saudi Arabia pronounced talaq, talaq, talaq 3 times over phone without binding to the control of Jamaat. The affected wife approached the Honorable Court, and as a result, the Honorable Supreme Court had issued such a verdict. The Honorable Supreme Court has said that triple talaq should not be pronounced at one go. You bring a legislation on this line. We will accept it. But where is the criminal procedure on this? Why should there be criminal punishment? That is why the Tamil Nadu government has opposed this legislation. All the state governments were consulted at the draft stage of this bill. The Tamil Nadu government has vehemently opposed this legislation. The provision of punishment with 3-year imprisonment and fine may be omitted. This is the reply of the state government of Tamil Nadu. Secondly, necessary provision to provide one-time settlement of entitled amount to the Muslim women married as per Shariat law may be made. This was stated by the Tamil Nadu government. The proposal to provide subsistence allowance to the dependent children who have been affected by triple talaq shall be accepted. I am placing on record before this august House only the views that had already been expressed by the Tamil Nadu government to the Union. As per Muslim personal law, talaq should be pronounced 3 times on 3 different occasions. The problem persists only when it is pronounced on 3 different occasions. The Union government has brought such a legislation because of the reason that triple talaq was being pronounced at one go. The verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court has been time and again referred here in Parliament. If Parliament wants, it can enact a law on this issue. This is the statement of the Honorable Supreme Court. It has not asked to follow a criminal procedure while tackling this issue. Nowhere has the Supreme Court said that those who pronounce triple talaq should be punished criminally. It has never stated anywhere in its verdict that those who pronounce triple talaq should be punished criminally. In the absence of such a direction from the Supreme Court, you have brought this legislation which will provide punishment of imprisonment up to 3 years to the so-called offenders. Stop.